guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be doing a little bit of organizing and decorating in our house. I really love to do kind of like a winter clean out so that everything is really organized, all of the clutter's removed, all the things you don't use are removed as we go into the Christmas season. We're going to be updating a space in the back of our house. It's a space that was originally designed as something that was purely decorative, but it's kind of turned into storage space over time. We definitely do need that storage and we use it, and I put a lot of my project materials there and things that I'm going to be working on in the next couple of weeks. It's super useful, but it also looks very cluttered right now because of that. I don't love that. We're going to be putting in a really beautiful console table, and this is one that could be used as a TV stand, a console table, bedroom furniture, whatever you want to use it for, but I'm going to be using it as a console table. I think it's going to really update the space and it's going to go really well with the furniture that we already have back there, and it's going to give me a ton of storage room, which is really important in older homes like this because we really don't have much closet space. We are going to get right into today's project. Okay, so this is our console table right here. I'm super excited to get it all set up and ready to go. I think from looking at it that it's going to be a pretty easy setup. From the size of this box, I'm thinking that a lot of it is already put together, but we'll see in just a minute. This week we're going to be partnering with the brand Nest, and they were kind enough to send over this console table for me so that we can update our space. Super excited to be able to put it back in the back room of our house and start organizing with it. I think it's going to be really beautiful. Nest is a brand that makes really beautiful high-end home furniture. They have tons of really classic pieces, tons of beautiful modern pieces, so a little bit of something for everyone. And the piece that I'm going to be working with today is the 84-inch Sabina Ashwood console table. And one of the things that I really love about this brand is that they do use predominantly solid wood. So they're using mainly solid ashwood for the construction of this, which is something that you don't see in every furniture brand. There's a lot of particle board, a lot of low quality woods that are used, and that to me makes them very light and flimsy, but it also just makes it so they don't last very long. I'm really excited about this piece because I know that it's going to last us for years and years to come. It's something that we aren't going to have to replace a few years down the road or whenever it is that we move, that sort of thing. It will totally last and become a part of our home and our family. Nest also has a really incredible delivery service. I would say it's probably the easiest and best delivery service that I have ever had. They have you pick a day and a time that they deliver the product. They call you in advance and they show up within 30 minutes of that call. They delivered it into our home. I was really impressed with that. So we're going to go ahead and put this together, and I'm going to show you just little bits and pieces of that so that you can see how easy or how hard it is to do. I'm going to be doing it by myself, so that's also going to give you a good idea of the difficulty. And then we're going to take this piece back to the back of our house, move out the mess that's there right now, and I'm hoping that it will all fit into here really neatly and nicely, but that will also have extra space so that we can store other things.
And if I show up, will you show me around town? If I make you laugh, give me some time, 'cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love with just about anyone. All I want is just to know you, is just to hang around, walk on the same ground. Remind me of the days gone by, all the real good love turned up just in time. And if I show up, will you show me around town? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love with just about anyone.
Okay, so I have our Sabina cabinet all built. It took me about 25 minutes to build, and that's including like unboxing it, cleaning up all the packaging, and putting it together. So it was very quick. I would say that was the easiest thing that I have ever put together as far as like store-bought furniture and things like that. It was so simple. It pretty much came already built, which is amazing. And I can definitely attest to the fact that it is solid American ashwood. They do say that it has some ashwood veneer, but looking at it, I would say that's pretty much just like the backing. That's probably it. I didn't really see anything else that looked like veneer. It's pretty much solid wood. Very heavy, very sturdy. I could totally put it together by myself, but I will say that if you have a second person to help you move it around, put it on its back, all that kind of stuff, it's definitely a lot easier because it is quite heavy to do by yourself. We're gonna go ahead and clear out this space right here. This is where the cabinet's gonna be going. I want to get everything out of the way so that we can move the cabinet in and then go through it one by one as we organize. And I am going to have Matt help me bring the cabinet in because there's absolutely no way that I could move that by myself. You could move it a few inches by yourself, but not multiple rooms. Let's go ahead and get to it. Start organizing our cabinets, and something that I really like about these is that the shelves are actually like screwed into place, so they are super stable. We also have a hole in the middle section that goes out the back so that you can plug in electronics and things into an outlet, and both of the outside cabinets have a hole in the back that goes to the middle so that you can have access to that outlet hole as well and not have to put all your electronics in the center or have it be really cluttered, that sort of thing. I'm going to start going through my bins and just organizing everything in here as best I can, and we will see how it all fits and how much space we can keep open. Alright, so we have everything organized from all of my DIY supplies that I had out here. We ended up only using these two outer cabinets, so the entire center portion is open and free for us to use for storage. This one is pretty full. I definitely used every little bit of it. I would rather have it be super full and use as much of the space as we can, so that's what I did here. And then this one is full but has a little bit of space left, so some smaller things could fit in there. I tried to use this one for smaller smaller items so I can just cram as much in there as possible. And then this one I put some of the bigger items or like oddly shaped things. So it doesn't have quite as much in it, but it was able to hold a lot of our like larger DIY items, which is really great, and I can fit some smaller things in there still. And then right here, we have this entire center portion that is totally free for storage, which is really great because we'll be able to put like extra things that we have around the house or stuff that we want to kind of clear out and put elsewhere in here. And we have the hole for electronics right there that lines up perfectly with our outlet. If we have any electronic items that we want to have plugged in, we could put those in here as well. So I'm super happy with this. It definitely holds a ton. It is really beautiful storage. It would be a really great TV stand with all of the electrical outlet options and how much it can hold. You could fit all of your router, Fire TV stuff, whatever it is that you have in here. Like if you have video games, all that stuff would fit totally fine. You'd have plenty of space. It would even be really great if you used it as a TV stand to put like your blankets in one side. So you could have blanket storage near the couch where you're going to be using it the most. And this is an 84-inch console table, so it can hold up to an 85-inch TV, which is massive. Pretty much any TV you have is going to work great with this, and I just think it's so special and unique looking. I personally really love the fluted look. I'm sure you guys have noticed that I have multiple fluted items around the house. I think it's so beautiful and just a really interesting texture to bring into the house. I like this one especially because it's different than usual. The fluting is squared off instead of rounded, so it's even more custom and unique, and just a really beautiful piece of furniture to bring into your home. Wraps up this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed building, organizing, and decorating our new console table with me. I absolutely love it. I think it makes the space so much more open and just like fresh and bright, and it just takes away all the clutter that was over here, which is always a good thing. Big thank you to Hernest for partnering with me this week and for sending over this console table. I definitely recommend checking them out if you are on the market for any kind of home furniture. They have really beautiful, really good quality pieces of furniture, and most of them are made with solid wood, which is rare and hard to find, but means that it's going to last for many years to come. So I will link all of the information for Hernest below, and I'll also link the information for this console table if you're interested in checking out the same one that I have. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of my videos. I put out new videos every Sunday, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.